The 5 best platforms to trade cryptocurrency in USA. If you're living in the US and looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading, you're in luck. The US market has access to some of the most reliable, secure and advanced platforms out there, but with so many options available, how do you know which one is truly the best for you? In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 cryptocurrency trading platforms in the United States. We'll go from number 5 all the way to number 1, so make sure to stick around till the end, especially if you're serious about making the right choice for your crypto journey. Number 5. Crypto.com. Kicking off our list is Crypto.com. This platform has gained traction for its sleek mobile app, cashback, Visa card, and growing selection of cryptocurrencies. It's user-friendly and ideal for people who like managing everything from their phones. With over 250 listed cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com offers a broad selection, including DeFi tokens and emerging altcoins. The platform also offers staking rewards, margin trading, and even NFT purchases. However, Crypto.com is confusing. Unless you're staking their native token, CRO, the fees aren't the most competitive. Still, the convenience and all-in-one features make it a strong option for casual traders. Number 4. eToro U. In 4th place, we have eToro USA. Originally focused for stock and forex trading, eToro has expanded into crypto with a social twist. eToro's standout feature is copy trading. This allows you to mimic the trades of professional investors. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn or earn passively without analyzing charts for hours. The platform offers some 30 of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. While there are options than some competitors, it's more than for most retail investors. The downside, eToro has relatively high spreads compared to traditional exchanges, and crypto transfers to external wallets are a bit limited, but if you're new to the game and wanna ease into it, eToro's interface and social features are a big plus. Number 3. Kraken. Next is Kraken, of the oldest and most respected platforms in the crypto space. Kraken is known for its top-notch security of trading options and professional tools. It supports spot trading, margin, and even futures trading, something not all US-compliant platforms offer. The fees are competitive, especially on Kraken Pro, where high-volume traders can benefit from lower rates. Plus, Kraken supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, including some hard-to-find ones. The interface may be a bit intimidating for complete beginners, but if you take crypto trading seriously, Kraken is a powerful choice. Number 2. Coinbase Pro. In 2nd place, we have Coinbase Pro, not to be confused with the standard Coinbase app. Coinbase Pro offers lower fees, more advanced trading tools, and real-time charts. Coinbase has built its brand on regulatory compliance, simplicity, and trust. It's traded, insured for some funds, and registered with US regulators. So, if safety is your top priority, this is the place. Coinbase Pro supports around 150 cryptocurrencies, provides API access, and integrates with bank accounts for easy funding. It's beginner-friendly yet advanced enough to grow with you as your trading skills evolve. The only downside, while Pro is cheaper than the regular Coinbase platform, it's still more expensive than exchanges. But if you want peace of mind and a clean interface, it's a solid bet. Number 1. Binance US. And our list is Binance US, the American arm of the global Binance platform. It offers the best balance of low fees, wide coin selection, and advanced trading tools. Binance US has one of the lowest fee structures in the industry, just 0.1% per trade, and even less if you use their BNB token for payment. That's a advantage, especially if you're trading frequently. The platform supports over 150 cryptocurrencies, offers real-time market data, advanced charting via TradingView, and features and staking. Now, it's important to know that Binance US is not available in all states, including New York and Texas. If it is available where you live, it's hard to beat in terms of performance and value. So, there you have it, the 5 best platforms to trade crypto in the USA. Each of these platforms has its strengths, and the right one for you will depend on your experience level, trading goals, and personal preferences. Which one are you using or planning to use? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like.